Transform your meals in seconds with this kitchen hack. Ever thought microgreens could revolutionize your recipes? Meet Connor from Amelia Island Microgreens. He's got a secret tip that'll turn your meals into flavor explosions. Let's dive into the world of microgreen culinary awesomeness. Tired of boring bland salads? Microgreens can make any dish a gourmet masterpiece. Discover how to add microgreens to smoothies for a power-packed breakfast. Learn which types of microgreens to use and how to prepare them for maximum flavor. Here are some intriguing facts. First, microgreens are the most nutrient-dense stage in a plant's life cycle. Adding microgreens to your diet can significantly improve your health and well-being. Lastly, these tiny greens are packed with vital vitamins and minerals. But what about growing microgreens in a small space? Don't worry, we've got you covered in the full video. Ready to transform your meals and boost your health? Text microgreens to 26786 to watch the full video and become a microgreen pro. So if you're ready to elevate your cooking, text now and start your microgreen journey today.